After completing your registration on the CAC portal, you might receive a query if the forms were not filled correctly. A query is simply a notification from the Corporate Affairs Commission pointing out errors or missing information in your application. You must resolve these queries before your business or company name can be approved. To resolve a query, log into your account and click on the Queried Application menu. Here you will see the issues that need to be fixed. This is the old interface. It may look different in the new interface, but the process is the same. You can also access this through the status filter drop-down. You can filter to see the approved names, pending names, queried names, or names not yet submitted. Select Queried and you see the same list. So next, click on the Query History button to view the specific problem. For example, in my case, the issue was to delete extra text from the other nature of business description field. So all I need to do is go to that description field and delete the extra text. If you have multiple queries, they will all be listed here. For my application, I click Close, then selected the Unresolved Query button, and this opened the same registration document I had filled earlier. I navigated to the Nature of Business page, click Edit, and here in the description, I need to remove this part, and then also make any necessary edits. After that, I click Add Nature of Business, then Save and Continue. Your query might be different. It could involve the business category, specific nature of business, or even your means of identification. Whatever the case, make sure you edit exactly what CAC requested. Once done, review everything carefully, then click Save and Continue again. Now return to the query history to confirm if there are any other issues. If everything looks good, click Mark as Resolved. Now all you need to do is wait a few hours to a few days. You'll receive either an approval email or another query email if further corrections are needed. Sometimes you may get multiple queries until all errors are fixed. In my case, I received this email, an approval email, which means my registration is approved. So back on the CAC portal, if I go to the approved applications, now you can see the approved business name. So once approved, you can download your certificate, go to the registration menu, now click the action button beside your approved name, and from the drop down, select Download Certificate to download your certificate. You can also download the status report and even generate your tax ID in one click. I have a full step-by-step tutorial on how to register your business or company name, from filling in the particulars to nature of business, document upload and payment, and so on. If you follow the steps in that video, you shouldn't have issues with CAC registration. And that is how to resolve any CAC queries during business name registration. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.